Are you tired of dealing with stubborn toenail fungus that just won't go away? Well, I've got a simple, natural solution for you that's probably already in your kitchen. It's something so powerful, yet so easy to use, you won't believe it. Stick around, because today I'm going to share a game-changing home remedy that will have your toes looking fabulous again in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oregano oil, really? That's for pizza, not for toes. But trust me, oregano oil is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting toenail fungus. It's packed with natural antifungal properties, and believe it or not, it works wonders in clearing up those nasty yellow or discolored nails. So, let's break it down step by step. First things first, you don't want to apply oregano oil directly to your skin without diluting it. It's potent stuff. So, grab a carrier oil, something like coconut oil or olive oil. Mix a few drops of oregano oil into about a teaspoon of the carrier oil. Simple, right? Once that's all mixed up, use a cotton ball or a cotton swab and gently apply the oil mixture directly to your affected toenail. Make sure you cover the entire surface of the nail, and don't forget the skin around it. You want to make sure that the antifungal magic has full access to your fungus-fighting mission. Apply this remedy at least twice a day, morning and night, and be patient. The fungus won't vanish overnight, but with consistent use, you'll start seeing those improvements in just a few weeks. Keep at it, and you'll be flaunting healthy, clear nails before you know it. So why does oregano oil work so well? First off, oregano oil contains carvacrol, which is a super potent compound known for its antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Carvacrol is the secret weapon that helps it fight off the fungus living in and around your toenails. It can break down the cell walls of the fungus, essentially destroying it from the inside out. Plus, it's super easy to use, affordable and natural, no harsh chemicals required. If you're looking for a simple, home remedy to fight toenail fungus, this is it. But that's not all. Oregano oil also has antioxidant properties. This means it helps protect your skin from damage by neutralizing free radicals. It also helps promote faster healing and skin regeneration, so the fungus doesn't just disappear, your skin gets healthier too. Oregano oil is also antimicrobial, so it doesn't just target fungus, it goes after bacteria, viruses, and even yeast. That's why it's great for not just toenail fungus, but other skin infections as well. Basically, it's like having a little army of defenders right on your feet. Another benefit of using oregano oil for toenail fungus is that it's cost-effective. You don't need a fancy prescription or expensive treatments, just a small bottle of oregano oil, and it lasts for a long time. It's an affordable, easy-to-use, and natural alternative. I hope you found this little home remedy helpful, and that it gives your toes the love they deserve. If you try this, make sure to let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. If you want more awesome DIY tips and natural remedies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos.